everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you're not, then welcome back. So today we're going to be making Reese's peanut butter cups. They taste so good. I promise you will never be able to get over these just like me. So that's all, enjoy the video. Alright, so first add your cups to your pan. In this clip, you can see I am using mini ones, but later on, I just decided to use mostly big ones, like regular size ones, and just one mini one, just to see like how it was. And in case you're gonna be doing mini ones, then just so you can see like how I do it. It isn't really that much of a difference, but I just wanted to like show. But yeah, I felt like it didn't really fit because my pan is like the parts are like really big, so it doesn't really fit for mini cups, but yeah, you can just do whatever you want. Next step, add in 12.5 ounces of chocolate. So I use milk chocolate just because I wanted to have the exact same taste as original Reese's or Reese's, I don't really know how you pronounce it, but you can use semi-sweet or dark, really just matters on your preference. But if you want it to taste exactly the same as Reese's cups, then I recommend using milk chocolate. Then just melt your chocolate for 2 minutes, or just really until it's at that liquidy texture and it's like super smooth and liquid. I actually did it for 1 minute, so that's why it's less of the texture that I want it to be. As you can see, it's more hard, and it's not like if you were to just like pour it on top of something, it wouldn't just like go right out, like spill out, you know what I mean? That's exactly how you want it, not like that. So that was a mistake that I did make, but that's fine. It did end up still tasting the exact same, and it still ended up tasting super good, and that's really just what you want. It really just matters on taste. But yeah, I just recommend making it for 2 minutes at least, just okay, then add in 1.5 tablespoons of your chocolate to the cups. Just pop your pans in the freezer for 15 minutes. I didn't record my freezer because it is very messy, but you get what I mean. Then add in 1 cup of creamy peanut butter to a bowl. And then just add in 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. And then just mix. Make sure to keep on mixing until there's nothing shown but the peanut butter, I guess, until you can only see like a brown color and you can't see any powdered sugar or any lumps, nothing really, just until it's all combined. Now, after I stopped recording, I did keep on mixing, and you don't want it to stop right when your texture is exactly how mine is, because as you can see, you can still see some powdered sugar and lumps and stuff like that, and you don't want that. Just make sure that there's none of that shown. Then take your pans out of the freezer and add your peanut butter filling. you're done with that, add your melted chocolate on top. Now, if you did microwave it until it was at that texture that I described, then you should be able to just pour it right out of the bowl, and it would just go on all the sides and everywhere, and it'd be so much more easier. But as you can see, since I only put it for 1 minute, it was more of a, I don't know, it wasn't as smooth and liquidy, and it was hard to work with. Then when you're done, just pop your pans in the freezer for 1 hour. And that's all for today. Bye, enjoy!